Are you also on the hunt for a smartphone that can beat the iPhone's camera quality? Well, your search is about to be over. Because today, we've got something that's creating a massive buzz in the market. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Ace Pro 5G. This isn't just any ordinary smartphone, it's a camera powerhouse, bringing DSLR level quality right into your pocket. This beast of a phone is set to feature a mind-blowing 250 megapixel DSLR killer camera, and the two at an incredibly affordable price. So, in today's video, we're going to tell you everything you want to know about this incredible device, from its features and price to its launch date. Let's dive right in. Features of the Nokia Ace Pro 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. You're getting a stunning 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display, with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or binge-watching your favorite shows, every experience is going to be absolutely unforgettable. And that's not all, it also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection, and an IP68 rating, meaning durability is guaranteed. Camera setup. Now, let's get to the most exciting part, the camera. Can you even imagine a 250 megapixel camera in a smartphone? Well, this phone is bringing exactly that. It's ready to give DSLRs a run for their money. But wait, there's more. You also get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and an 8 megapixel macro camera. And for all you selfie lovers, there's a 32 megapixel front camera, that's going to make every selfie look absolutely stunning. Performance. When it comes to performance, this phone is an absolute beast. It's powered by the mighty Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, which can handle any task in seconds. And for the operating system, you're getting the latest Android 16 right out of the box. Battery backup. Now, let's talk battery life. This phone packs a massive 8700 mAh battery, say goodbye to charging anxiety. And when it's time to power up, the 120-watt super fast charging will get you from 0 to full in just minutes. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, what's the price of this incredible phone? Well, according to our sources, you can expect it to be priced at around $799. And as for the launch date, we're still waiting for official confirmation. But don't worry, the moment we get any updates, we'll be the first to let you know. So, are you ready to get your hands on this camera beast? Let us know in the comments below what you think about the Nokia Ace Pro 5G.